Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to change layer color in Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop software, and as you can see that there is a basic solid white layer opened, and I really want to change the white color. How can I do it? First, if you look at the layer, you will notice a padlock icon at the end of it. Click on it to unlock the layer. And now make sure that your layer is selected, and here on the sidebar, click on this color picker option. From here you can choose any color you like. You can also put in a specific RGB tone that you want to change your layer into, and then hit OK. And then again, locate the paint bucket tool. And as you can see, there is no paint bucket tool here. Well, mostly it is located under the gradient tool. So right click on the gradient tool and you will find the paint bucket tool. Click on it and then simply click on your layer and the color is changed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.